Good morning, everybody. Brian with Weather KY Spotter here with you this morning. A lot to talk about. We are right in the thick of it with severe weather coming in. Maybe some today, definitely some into tomorrow and Wednesday. I'll give some time for some folks to get in, but we are getting ready to have possibly the worst severe weather that we've had all season. And as you can tell currently on the map, we do have some rain down in Rockcastle and Laurel County. Looks like that Boyle and Lincoln are seeing some showers today. Also, Bourbon, Franklin counties seeing some showers all the way over to Muhlenberg, McLean, moving into Ohio and Butler counties. So just right now, just some general rain. Nothing to actually worry about as of right now. But on Tuesday and on Wednesday, we have to be very vigilant with our weather because we have a system that is coming in that is not going to be very friendly to us. I do want to show you the Storm Prediction Center outlook. Give me just a minute to replace my screen here. So as of right now, this is going to be for May the 6th, but this is day 3. This is going to be Wednesday. Let me go back to full screen so you guys can see this. Okay. So right now, for today, Oklahoma, this area in here is looking at the same thing that we're looking at here in the state of Kentucky for Wednesday. This 30% hatch is not a good thing. When you see these little slat minus symbols in your maps that you go to the Storm Prediction Center, that means that everything is very, very possible. Now, a 30% in the red means that we could see destructive severe thunderstorms. We could even see long track tornadoes with this particular system. We don't want to talk about that. But that is the possibility for Wednesday. Now let's jump into day 2 on Tuesday. Let me scroll out real fast. All right. Going to day 2. Let me go to the home. Give me just a moment to go to day 2. So for day 2, we are still under a slight category for tomorrow. Now that is let me move this over here. Slight is a 2 out of 5. So it's still something to look out for. We could see a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings. We may see 1 or 2 tornadoes, but nothing like what Wednesday is going to be doing. And I do want to go back and show their day 3 for us. So now for day 3, we are under an enhanced. That is a 3 out of 5. I look for this to go to a moderate. I look for this to go into a moderate, stretching from anywhere from Ashland down through Rockcastle counties, down into Somerset and Monticello, everything there west. It does include the cities of Covington, Lexington, Richmond, Louisville, Paducah, Bowling Green, Mayfield, all of those areas. So day 3 is what we want to look out for. I do want to go back to that 30% hatch. Give me just a minute here. Let me go into, let me pull this back out here. Sorry about that, guys. I'm just trying to show you guys exactly what we're looking for. So it's not pulling back up day 3. Let's see. It's day 4 through 8. Day three. All right, so it's not pulling it back up, but that's okay. So with that saying, we are looking at a slight risk for tomorrow. We are looking at an enhanced, which I see going up on Wednesday. Now, both of these events could be evening events. That's not what I'm happy about. We are looking at a system that is going to today bring destructive tornadoes for the areas of Oklahoma, Kansas, that area, and then that system is going to push east, and then we're going to see this same weather affect us. So if it is an evening event, I'm going to be right here in the command center. We're going to have our team posting warnings. We're going to have you enough time to get to your safe spot. What I would do is for tomorrow, be weather aware. We could see severe thunderstorm warnings, maybe 1 or 2 tornadoes tomorrow. Wednesday is going to be a full blown out event. So you need to already have your weather plan in place for Wednesday. Now, some people are saying that the Storm Prediction Center has blew this out of proportion. They've not blown it out of proportion for the Midwest. So the conditions are right. Your convective energy is right. You've got an opening pocket of very warm air that is going to be showing things that we don't need. Things that we don't need. So, again, in the state of Kentucky right now, we're just seeing showers down here in Rockcastle and Laurel counties. Also, Bourbon. You guys may be getting a little bit of a thunderstorm in Bourbon County right now. But over in western Kentucky, we do have some thunderstorms, McLean, Muhlenberg, Butler counties. But again, Tuesday, stay weather aware. Wednesday, already have your weather place in place because Wednesday could be the worst weather day that we've had all season long. So I just wanted to jump on here and give you an update and let you know that we are on top of this. I know that Mike Bowl is having a great part with us on posting weather on all of our social media. Also, Deanna and Landon and Matt and Lynn and Gina, they are all watching their areas very closely. We've just got to make sure that we're staying weather where I need you guys to stay here with me on Tuesday and Wednesday, and also make sure that you have your NOAA weather radios charged up. You've got flashlights, you have helmets if you do have them, blankets, pillows, all those things to keep yourself protected. But today we may see some thunderstorms. I mean, one or two of them may go severe. Nothing major for today. Tuesday, a little bit more severe thunderstorm warnings. Wednesday, possibility of long track tornadoes and destructive severe thunderstorm warnings. So please make sure that you're staying weather aware. We're not scaring you. We're just maintaining the facts from the Storm Prediction Center. But today you're in good shape. Unless you're getting rain, we may see some very strong thunderstorms today, maybe 1 or 2 severe. Tuesday, definitely be on the lookout for severe thunderstorm warnings, maybe 1 or 2 tornado warnings, depending on which area has the most convective energy. And then Wednesday is the day we really got to look out for. That has got to be the area the day that we look at everything that's going to be taking place. We want to keep you safe. We want to keep you informed, and we want you to stay safe during these types of weather systems. But if these are evening events, I'm going to be in our weather command center. If this is a day event, I'm going to be out in it. So we have just placed a new anemometer on our van, our weather vehicle, NATO 1, and we are now able to get accurate readings for wind speed. We have a rain gauge. We have a device for barometric pressure that shows us if an environment is going to be stable enough for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms to occur. We have a lightning detector that is on this particular device, and we are registered with AccuWeather and the Ambient Weather Network, which means that all of our data is going into those programs and is being distributed out to all the weather sources. So we have got a great device that we have got now that we are going to be able to give you even more data, scientifically data, that is going to keep you even more aware and show a little bit more on the ground than what we normally have been able to do in the past. So again, stay weather aware tomorrow. Wednesday, already have your weather plan in place, because again, the Storm Prediction Center has put an enhanced 30% hatch. That means that conditions are very favorable for long track tornadoes and destructive severe thunderstorms. So Wednesday is the day to look out for. I do want to thank you guys for tuning in. Please share this stream when it becomes available. And again, stay safe, stay weather aware. We don't want you to be afraid. We just want you to stay aware of what's taking place. And that's why we're here on Monday giving you information about tomorrow and Wednesday ahead of time. But again, in the state of Kentucky, just rain showers right now. Rockcastle and Laurel County is getting a good soaking right now, along with McLean and Muhlenberg counties, and maybe seeing a thunderstorm or two in the eastern part of Scott County into Bourbon County. So, but again, from an area stretching down from Ashland down into Rockcastle and Laurel counties, Whitley County, Wayne County, Pulaski, stretching west. That is what we have to worry about on Wednesday. So again, guys, thank you for tuning in. Again, I'm Brian with Weather KY Spotter. Our weather team is on this system, and we will be bringing you updates as they become available. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate